Hello, welcome to how to replace RAM in a laptop. In this case, we're going to be using this old Toshiba. It'll serve our purposes. Disclaimer, not all laptops will have the ability to swap the RAM. Some, like Chromebooks, have soldered on RAM. Sort of sucks, but nothing you can do about it. They're cheap. But in this case, this is an old Toshiba, right? Anyway, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to unscrew all the screws on the back in the bottom here of the laptop. I've already done that myself, but the next thing you want to do, I have a little cheap little pry tool here, is pry it up. Again, I've already done that. See, that should pop right off. You may have to pop some hinges, which is fine. See, here we have our insides of our computer. Here's would be our hard drive in an older one, and then in newer ones you'd have an M.2 slot, or one of them little stick SSDs. Then here you have our cooling. This one's really old, so it has one of these. A disk drive. These are cooling, right? Here's our stick of RAM, right? So you're going to find what sort of looks like this. So you're going to find these two little slots. These is SODIMM RAM, and what you're going to do is be sure you have the correct RAM. Namely, if your laptop is advertising DDR3 RAM, you can't put DDR4 RAM in it. It has to match. But anyway, you're going to take our DDR3, and we're going to push it down. And we have RAM. Nice and easy, and then what you're going to do when you're done, seal it back up, re-screw everything together, and in this laptop's case, maybe pop the battery back on. Anyway, that's how to replace RAM. It's really easy, quite on the easier side of laptop repairs. And yeah, have a good day.